Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I have something a little bit different for you. A friend of mine by the name of Charles Burt is a really amazing oil artist, and he approached me about us possibly doing a collaboration. And this piece here was actually just a little test piece that we did to kind of get an idea of where we want to go. And so I thought I would share with you the process on this one. I just started with a dirty flip cup, dirty pour, put white on the bottom with 1 drop of the coconut hair serum mixed around in the white, and then I layered the blues on top of that, and then dumped this out. You know, we want to do a mermaid, and so we were trying to experiment with how we could get sort of a watery bubble look, and trying to figure out if the hair serum was gonna give us too many cells or how that was gonna go about. I don't usually use or this is my first time using the coconut hair serum. I've used silicone oils before, and they're usually honestly not my favorite, but for this particular project, we wanted to see what different kinds of effects we could get. This little board we had here was just for, just for this experiment, and it was a little bit warped, so we knew in the end we weren't really going to wind up with the same thing. And so I wanted to show him kind of the different effects that we would get with the resin tool, spreading tool. That was with the smallest teeth. That was with the medium teeth. And then this was with the large teeth. So we were checking out the different bubble effects and the different lines that we would get, how that kind of gave us the look of movement. And we're just kind of studying it and trying to figure out how we were going to approach doing a large-scale mermaid coming up out of the water. With that being said, we were, thinking, okay, getting our ideas, and then set this off to the side. And as I told you, it was kind of bowed and warped, so I warned him that we were not going to wind up with the same picture once it dried. But regardless, even though we didn't get this really, really cool looking cell painting, to me this looked like upstream or something. I thought it could have been cool with some fish painted into it. Again, had it actually dried that way. Instead, as you will see here in a second, it dried as kind of just a mess, nothing really interesting, but Charles went in there and painted this woman coming up out of the water, which I thought looked really cool, and it got me really excited because we have quite a few collaborations in mind for the future. So thank you everybody once again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe it will inspire you to some really cool collaborations with other artists you might know or meet in your local community.